Hi, I have a short video for you this time, and it involves another 3D part for the Dillon 1050, and it works with all of them. If you own one of these machines, you know it can be very frustrating when you need to correct a problem, clear a jam, do setups and so forth, that you need to stop it from feeding the cases. And you want to get this little plunger right here and hold it back. And I've rigged up, little banjo jobs to do it with clamps and wires and so forth. But anyway, I thought, jeepers, I had so much luck, with the 3D printing and this part right here, previous examples. Why not try it again and make something that will hold this thing open? So here's what I did. You gotta figure out some way to hold this back so it won't keep feeding. So I came up with this thing, this little magic piece, and it drops over there, and that's it. And then works. And when you get through with it, just lift it off and you're back in business. So come up to my computer and I'll show you how I came up with this. There's actually not a whole lot to show here on this. I mean, you can see the little model that I created. Originally, I had it come all the way out here and back, I cut around and whatnot, but that didn't fit very well. It didn't work. If we go back in the timeline, you can see the drawings and the dimensions that were in there for various and sundry parts. And actually, it was the second version. The first one didn't fit. It was too tight. But, it's kind of the nature of designing things. They work later. But that's it. There's the little deal. And then you create a file from that, which, since I don't have a 3D printer, I just send it off to a company, and they print it and send it back. It takes about a week. It's enough of a hassle now, and I've done enough of these little parts. I think I'm going to go ahead and buy one of these 3D printers for myself, because they would be a lot of fun. Well, there you go. A little part that you could make on pretty much any 3D printer. This one's not printed out of anything fancy, and it has the distinction of working. And yeah, it works over here on these others as well. That one up there. They're all the same. This is the old RL, this is the newer Supers, but either way it works. And that's it. Thank you for watching. By the way, if you liked it, why don't you click it down there and say thumbs up.